the same topic yesterday's rationalization?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, I'll
ma'am.
give the topic again.
Okay, ma'am.
And write the question. Rationalize the denominator. The question is, rationalize the denominator. I'll write, rationalize the denominator. This is the question, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. And first question is, 5 by root 3. 5 by root 3. How many of you were not there in yesterday's class? Will you tell me? Yes.
Ma'am, I was not there.
Ooh.
Ma'am, I was not there.
Ma'am, hence she was not there.
Hence she was not there.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Hadidi.
Hadidi not there. Okay. Okay, then I'll explain it. I will explain it. Hadidi, just listen. And hence
Ma'am,
she.
I was not.
Okay. Okay, those who are not there, just listen. Listen. Rationalize the denominator means, can you see any rational number in the denominator? Can you see an irrational number? What is that irrational number?
3.
Root 3 is the rational number. Root 3. Root 3. So what we have to do is, we have to remove that root 3 from the denominator. We should remove that root 3 from the denominator. Okay. For that, what we are going to do is, for removing root 3, for remove means we should, that root 3 will come in the numerator, only that. So removing root 3, we are going to multiply with the same root 3, same rational number to the denominator. But what we are doing in the denominator, same process we should do in the numerator also. So you should multiply the same number. Is it clear to you? Okay. So for removing root 3, you multiply the same root 3, same number once again with the denominator, and the same multiplication you should do in the numerator also. Okay. So the answer of this is 5 into root 3 is, actually this was our question. Again, when you write the answer, you have to write like this, not in the same step. 5 root 3 into root 3. Again into root 3 there in the numerator also. So it is 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3, but root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. Clear? Did you understand?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Listen, here, actually why we are doing this, the reason is that when any rational number comes in the denominator, it is difficult for us to divide that irrational number with, divide the number with that irrational number, that if it is 1.414, etc., and 1.732, like that, all root 3's root 2 values, it is difficult for us to divide. So we are converting into multiplication. Only that. Now that division changed and it became multiplication of irrational number. Okay. So second question is, the second one is 10 by root 7. So those who are not there, just do it.
10 root 7 by 7.
Don't tell the
Root
answer,
7 by
Ashit. Don't tell the answer. Let them do. Those who are not there. Okay. So Hadidi, hence, will you tell the answer of this?
10 into root 7 by 7.
Okay, good. So that is, we are multiplying with the root 7 with the denominator, but we are doing the same process in the numerator also, into root 7. And our answer is 10 root 7 by 7. One more question. One more question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Shall I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 3. 10 root, sorry, 10 by root 5. 10 by root 5. 10 by root 5.
And 2 root 4.
Hmm.
2 into root 5.
Yes. Yes.
And 2 root 5.
Yes. Surya,
Yes, ma'am.
did you understand, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, here with root 5 we are multiplying. Root 5 into root 5. On the top also root 5. So denominator you will get 10 root 5. Numerator you will get simply 5. But that 5 and 10 we can cancel. Isn't it? We can cancel this 5 and this 10. Okay, so what is the answer finally? Answer is 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 is the answer. Did you understand? Did you understand? Is it clear
Yes,
for you
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is our
ma'am.
conjugate multiplication. Next term is conjugate multiplication. I will explain it. Listen. Listen. Here it is only root 5, but some cases, some questions, it will come like this. It will come like this. First one is 1 by 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2. 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Now, those who are absent yesterday, just listen. 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Here, two irrational numbers has come as the denominator. There, we are using the process of conjugate multiplication. That means the conjugate of the irrational number in the denominator. That means root 3 plus root 2 is the denominator, right? The conjugate of it is same number but different sign. Like if it is a plus b, the conjugate of it is a minus b, like that. So if it is root 3 plus root 2, Surya, Hadidi and Hey and Steve, listen. Conjugate of, listen, conjugate of conjugate. We'll use the term conjugate. Conjugate of root 3 plus root 2 is the same number but it is different sign. Is root 3 minus root 2. If it is plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. Okay, so now we will use the conjugate multiplication. Listen to the question. Listen. Listen, it is 1 by root 3 plus root 2 is our question. Now we are multiplying the number with its conjugate. The conjugate is same number but different sign. Now we multiply the denominator with the conjugate. The same multiplication we should do in the numerator also. Same, the same conjugate, root 3 minus root 2. So what will be our final answer? Surya, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
1 into root 3 minus root 2, you will get root 3 minus root 2 itself. But look at the denominator. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b, right? Right?
Yes.
What is that?
A square minus b
A
square.
square minus b square. And it will be root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. And it will be root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 whole square is 3 minus root 2 whole square is 2. So, root 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus 2 is 1. And our final answer is simply root 3 minus root 2. Okay? Is it clear? Hadidi, Surya and Hen Steve, those who are absent yesterday, we are multiplying a conjugate multiplication. We are doing conjugate multiplication here. The same number but different sign. And multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate. But when you multiply the denominator, you are using a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay? Okay, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give you one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the question is, question number 5. Question number 5 is 2 by root 2 plus root 7. Root 2 plus root 7. 2 by root 2 plus root 7.
Now root 2 minus root 7. Now root 2 minus root 7.
Yes, root 2 minus root 7. Do the calculation properly and with care. Carefully you do the
Yes,
calculation.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children, did you finish it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, will you explain the steps? Yes. Tell me, what is the conjugate? What is the conjugate here?
Root 2
What
plus
is the conjugate?
root 2.
Can you tell the
Root 2
answer?
minus root 7.
Root 2 minus
Root
root
2 minus
7.
root 7.
Now, how will you multiply? 2 into root 2 plus root 7 into root 2 minus root 7, right? And here it is root 2 minus root 7. Clear? Then 2 into root 2 minus root 7. And here 2 minus root 2 all square minus root 7 all square. Then, did you get the step like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2
Yes.
into root 2 minus root 7
Yes.
by root 2 all square is 2 minus 7. It is 2 minus 7. So what will be your answer? 2 minus 7. What is the answer? 2 minus 7.
-5.
Minus 5.
5.
Okay. 2 into root 2 minus root 7 by minus 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is 2 minus 7. So you will get a negative 7 as the answer. Now, one more question. One more question. Are you sleeping? Some are sleeping in the class.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Then respond.
No, ma'am.
Next question is 2 root 7 by root 11. 2 root 7 by root 11. 2 root 7 by root 11. Which number you should multiply?
11.
Huh? Root
11,
11.
11.
Root 11. Root 11, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Okay. So with the root 11, when you multiply, you will get root 11 2 into root 7 by root 11, and you are rationalizing the denominator, rationalizing the denominator. So root of 2 root of 11 into root 7. What is the answer? Different roots. When you multiply, how will you write the answer of this? 7 and 11, different roots.
Root 77
Root 77 by, what about this?
by
Root
11.
11.
11. Not root 11. It is simply 11. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more question.
So it will become 2 root 7, no, ma'am.
Why? Root 77's root is? Eh?
So it
How?
will be, 77 can be divided by 11, no? Root 11.
Inside
root
the root
7.
you are dividing. If it is like this, you can divide root 77 by 11. Root of 77 by 11 you can divide. But it is root 77, one irrational number and 11 is a rational number. Clear? Those asked me the doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question. Question is 2 by 3 root 3. 2 by 3 root 3. Listen, children. You have to take 3 root 3 itself. 3 root 3 is the denominator. Don't take that irrational number separate. Take 3 root 3 itself. Like this. 2 by 3 root 3 with the same number. Into 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. Take the full number. Don't take root 3 alone. Take the full number and you will get 6 root 3 by 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 is 9 into 3. And you will get the answer as 6 root 3 by 27. Do you know how did you get the answer?
Ma'am,
3 into 3, yes. 3 into 3 is 9 and 2 to 3 into 3 is 3. 27, yes. Somebody asked me one doubt.
We can cut that 27 and 6.
Yes, 27 and 6. And what is the answer?
2 root 7 divided by 9.
Okay. So here it is 2 and here it is 9. So 2 root 3 by 9. Okay.
I didn't understand.
And now I will show you. Listen. Listen, this is one answer we got. Now, if we are taking only root 3, now this is our question, right? This was our question. Now, our question was 2 root 3 by, no, what was our question? 2 by 3 root 3. 2 by 3 root 3. Suppose you are taking only root 3. Only root 3. This is or question, or answer, second answer. So 3 root 3 into root 3. Suppose you are taking only root 3. Again, what will be your answer? 2 root 3 by, yes, yes. Tell me the answer.
Root 9.
9.
3 into
9.
3.
3 into 3.
3.
2 root 3
9.
by 9. You
9.
got the same answer. Clear? So sometimes you might be thinking of taking whole number 3 root 3. No problem, you take 3 root 3 and cancel it at the end. Or if you think of taking only root 3, no problem, that also you will get the same answer without simplification. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now our question is, our question is, our time is still 2:55, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
2:55. Okay,
ma'am.
so 10 more minutes. I'll give you one more question. Now listen, look at our question. And the question is like this. Okay, our question is like this. Write the question. Given that, question number 1, given that, are you writing? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, given that root 5 equal to 2.236. Root 5 equal to 2.236. Find the value of, find the value of 2 by root 5. If given that root 5 equal to 2.236, find the value of 2 by root 5. How will you do this question? How will you do?
2 into root 5 by root 5 into root 5.
Here you are using the rationalization first and then find the answer. Otherwise, root 5 you will substitute in the denominator. And it is a wrong method. Here you are using the rationalization. So you are multiplying with root 5. Multiplying with root 5. 2 root 5 is our question. So next step what you are going to do is 2 by root 5 into root 5 into root 5. So we will get the answer as 2 root 5 by 5. 2 root 5 by 5. And now 2 into, now you can substitute the value of root 5. What is the value of root 5 given? What is the value of root 5?
2.2.
2.236.
2 into 2, 3, 6 divided by 5. Can you find the answer? 2 into 2.236.
4.502.
4.502.
502. 502.
6.
Rajot?
4.4.
502.
4. You are telling
472.
472.
4.472
72.
4.472.
by 5. You have to divide and
by
find
5.
out the final answer. Divide and find out. Division by 5. Instead of division by root 5, we changed it as division by 5. So divide and find out the answer.
Ma'am, 0.8944.
Yes, 0.8944.
8944.
Yes, 0.89. What is the answer? Final answer?
0.8944.
0.8944.
8944.
One more 4 is
4.
there?
Yes, ma'am.
0.4.
Yes?
0.4.
0.894.4.
Again you don't tell 0.4.
And 2
0.894.
4s are there.
One more 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Shall I do the
Yes,
division for
ma'am.
you?
No, ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
0.89404.
0.8944. How will you divide? How will you divide? 4.472 divided by 5. Can you see the board? 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now? Now? 48 times
8.
4.
40.
Bring down 7. 9 times 45. 2. 22.
4.
4.
20.
20.
Then
Again 2.
0.8.
20. 20. And it is 4. Again, don't write point over there. Enough. Over.
Ma'am,
Clear?
I told her. Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give one more question. Like
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Like
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, question is a long one. I will write it, and if you couldn't finish it, you can do as a homework. Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
Okay, it is a long question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start writing the question. Second question. Given that root 2 equal to 1.414. Okay? Root 3 equal to root 3 equal to 1.732. Root 5 equal to 2.2. Okay, 2.236. Root 10 equal to 3.162. Okay? Okay, children? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Find.
Yes, ma'am.
Find. First one. 1 by root 2. Second one, 1 by root 3. And third one, 1 by root 10. Fourth question. Root 2 plus 1 by root 5. And fifth question, 2 minus root 3 by root 3. Sixth question, root 10 minus root 5 by root 2. So before doing the calculation, you should do the rationalization. Can you tell the first question, which number you will multiply?
Root 2.
Root 2. Second question, which number?
Root 3.
Root 3. Then third
Root
question?
10.
Root 10.
Root 10. Fourth question?
Root 5.
5.
Okay. Fifth question?
Root 3.
And sixth question?
Root 2.
Root 2. But in the numerator, you will get different rational numbers. In the numerator, you will get different rational number, no problem. But we can remove the irrational number from the denominator. Okay, clear? Numerator, you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
get different irrational numbers, numerator. Top part.
Yes, ma'am.
But the denominator, you can remove the irrational number. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are 6 homeworks for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
If you did not get, shall I move the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you ask me for in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you written the homeworks.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you want to see that board
ma'am.
again?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
So children,
No, ma'am.
yes. Okay, shall I leave now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, do the
Yes,
homework
ma'am.
and come. Okay, bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.